Are you in the club? Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC. This is Amy Jo, and today I'm going to be opening a super cool toy. This is a Peppa Pig sticker dispenser activity kit. Alright, so let's take a look at everything that comes in this set. These are all of the different markers. There's lots of different colors. And then this is the stamp pad that we'll use to create the sticker. So these are all of the different stamps. There's 7 different stamps that come with it, and we will press that down on the ink pad and then use this to make the sticker. I'm not exactly sure how that's going to work. We'll figure that out in a second. And then this is like a little photo album or art journal that we'll use to put our stickers in. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so the first sticker that I'm going to try to make is Emily Elephant. So I'm going to open up the ink pad and press that down. I don't know, our ink pad's looking a little dry. Let's see. Okay, so there's some ink on it, and then we'll press that down. And there is our first sticker. Okay, so I need to color that in, so let me do that. And when I pulled the paper through the feed here, it kind of ripped, so this is just sort of our first little test sticker. So Emily Elephant is gray, so I'm going to use the gray marker to color in her ears. Let's see. Oh, she's holding a little mouse. Let's color that gray too. Now, how about a yellow shirt for Emily? And we'll give her a little pink cheek. And how about, let's see, I think her eyes are going to be hard to do because, you know, all of the characters just have those tiny little dots in the middle of their eyes. Okay. And then I need to color her head gray. I'm not doing this very well because this is just our little trial run. Okay, let's see. It looks pretty rough, doesn't it? Okay, so then we're gonna feed it through here. Maybe. Oh, it's not working very well, is it? Let's see. Maybe because of that. Okay. Oh goodness, now it's stuck. Okay, and then look at this nifty little drawer where we have some scissors. So we can cut this. Oh, these scissors don't work very well. They're only plastic. Oh, sheesh. Okay, so that's a safety feature, I guess. All right, so that doesn't work, so we'll just rip it. And then the paper has the sticky stuff on it. Oh, yay! So it does work. It is a real sticker. See? Very sticky. Okay, so let's try a different one. All right, our next sticker is just going to be this cute little Peppa Pig. So we'll get some ink on it. Oh, that didn't work very well, did it? Oh no. Now the problem is if I do it again, I'm not going to be able to line it up just right. Well, I didn't want to waste that paper, so I took the black marker that comes with this and I just kind of sketched over and drew Peppa Pig. So now we can color her in and turn her into a little sticker. If I can get the lid off the marker. Alright, so here is my Peppa Pig. And this paper that's on top is really thin, so it kind of bleeds, and I don't know, it almost feels like the paper's gonna rip. It's really, really thin. So, but I think she turned out pretty cute. Okay, so I fed the sticker through, and I'm actually just using this to rip it because the scissors don't work very well for me. Now we can place the sticker right in our little album or art journal or whatever we're gonna call this thing. There. Right on the first page. Next we'll try Rebecca Rabbit. Okay, that looks like it has quite a bit of ink on it, so we should be in good shape. Oh no! I'm gonna have to draw that one in too. Okay, here's Rebecca Rabbit, and we can go ahead and color her. I don't know if the ink pad is dry or if I'm not pressing hard enough. I feel like I'm pressing really hard, but not working out very well for me. Okay, there's Rebecca. So here is our Rebecca Rabbit sticker, and we will put her right behind Peppa. Okay, let's see who we can do next. That one's pretty cute. I don't know if that is George or Peppa, but we could do this one as George and then he's holding a little toy. Let's do that. This time I have put a lot of ink on my stamper, so this one should work. I said that last time though too. Ugh. Yes! Okay. Well, I started coloring this one and I realized that when you do the black outline like I did in the previous two, it shows through. So the blue ink, it showed up pretty well there, but not at all with the toy. So I'm not sure what the best way to go is with that. Because now you can't see George's smile at all. And I just covered up over his feet. I'm not sure what to do. Let's see. Well, we could do this in red. We need to give George a smile. And we also need to try to fix his eyes. Okay, there's George. So I feel like I should draw his arms and his tail too. Okay, so we'll put George right next to Rebecca Rabbit. And let's do this one with Peppa holding a soccer ball. Okay, that one has a lot of ink. Oh, it happened again. Oh. Well, I decided to draw that one in the same way that I did the others since the ink didn't show up. And now I will color Peppa's dress. Okay, there is our Peppa with her soccer ball. And we can put this sticker right in next to George. So I don't know, what do you guys think? See, this George one just has the blue stamper ink, but Rebecca Rabbit and Peppa both have the black outline. And I actually think that I like those better. What do you guys think? I think that this is Danny Dog, and I think since we're having trouble with the ink pad on the paper, that maybe we'll try to do this on Play-Doh. So I have a little bit of yellow Play-Doh. I know that Danny Dog is not yellow, but I do not have any of that gray color. So let's see if this will work. I'm curious. It'll probably make an impression. Oh, wow! Look how cool that looks. These actually work better in the Play-Doh than they do on paper. All right, do you think I can color on Play-Doh? I've never tried this. Let's see what happens. Kind of works. Well, sort of. It doesn't really stick to the Play-Doh. It just kind of smears around. Let me try a different color. Oh, I kind of got it on the outside of his cheek. Oh, I like the stampers in the Play-Doh. I want to do more of this. Okay, well the markers don't work very well, but the stampers work great. So let's try another. So we'll roll this out and get it nice and smooth. And I'm actually going to try one of them without any ink and see what happens. Oh, it makes a perfect impression. I can't remember Peppa's friend that's the cat. I know one of you will know. You'll have to leave me a comment and tell me who the kitty cat is, okay? That is so cool. And you know what? It gives me an idea about something else that might work. Some of you may have watched the video that I did with the My Little Pony Play-Doh stampers. See, this is Pinkie Pie, and it has Pinkie Pie's cutie mark on the bottom. And I'm thinking that we can make some stickers with these. I have no idea if this will work or not, but we might as well try. I don't know if the ink is sticking to that. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that didn't work very well, but I have an idea. What if I color it with markers? Okay, let's try now. Still nothing. I don't know how I can make it work. I want to make it work. Alright, I have this old school rainbow dash too, and so I'm going to give this a try, and hopefully this one will work. I'm pressing down so hard on this. Nothing! But I have an idea. So here's what I'm thinking. If I take this and I press down on it, so I can press down where the stamper part is, that it will work. And it does! Okay, yay! That changes everything. Alright, let's get to work here. Okay, so now I know what we need to do. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, it turned out awful. I don't have the right colors for it. There was no purple and there wasn't light yellow. Oh, darn it. All right, I'm going to try Pinkie Pie's. See if I can color that in. Okay, it's a little better. It's a little closer, but still not the perfect colors. Let's try a couple more of the Peppa Pig stampers in Play-Doh. I think those might actually be my favorite. I know this is a stamp set, but I think they look really cool in the Play-Doh. Let's see, we'll try Emily Elephant. Whoa, look at all that ink. Doesn't that look cool? Peekaboo, Emily Elephant. All right, let's see. Can also try, remember the George that we did? Let's try that one too. Oh, there we go. That looks cool. And now we can cut those out. There's Emily. Ooh, I got really close to cutting George. Did I cut George? Almost. So let's compare. Let's look at George in the Play-Doh. And then we'll look at the sticker. Which one do you like better? I want to do a few more of these in the Play-Doh. I really like them in the Play-Doh. There's Peppa with her soccer ball. See, there's lots of different ways to play with your toys and your Play-Doh if you just can get a little creative with it. I can't believe how well those turned out. Okay guys, that's all I have. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see me do more little artsy activity kits like this, please click on the like button to let me know. And leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite was. Like I said, I think mine was the Peppa the Peppa stampers in the Play-Doh. But I want to hear what you like best. For more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. And if you like what you see, we hope that you will subscribe. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching.